Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Today both the markets, that is DFM and ADX, closed green, very positive. And if you're watching my analysis regularly, in my yesterday's video I had mentioned this is the line of control, that is 4240. Previously, we know this area was resistance. We saw strong selling pressure from this zone. Market made a big red candle and from here it's recovering. But last week we saw small correction, and as I had mentioned, this is not to be considered as a downtrend. It's just a correction phase of this strong move. Also, once we see a candle close above 4240, it will be again positive and there are good chances it may continue its upside momentum. With today's solid green candle, thanks to Emirates and BD Bank, that is one of the most heavy weighted stock on the market index, we are seeing more than 1% upside momentum in DFM index today. And this makes DFM index very stronger. There are very good chances of continuation to the upside from here, and if at all it comes down for a retest, most likely we should see a bounce from 4240. For those who missed my video yesterday, I would recommend you to watch. Link is right at the top. Watch it for your better understanding so that you can understand how the price action worked here. As we know, candles were getting smaller. This is a good indication that yes, it's now settling down. We are not seeing any bigger candles and there are good chances of recovery from here. And secondly, it was just near the support, that is 4200 area. We saw twice it retested and both the times it was successful. Today's closing is very powerful. DFM index is again ready for the bull run. And finally, after 6 red days, we are seeing a green candle today. I am on the daily chart of ADX market index. We have already identified our support zones. These are the mark lines, as you know. Today it came down till about 9224 and then it bounced up. This is a good indication that this support area is holding. For now, still the trend is to the downside. We are just seeing that support is holding, it's bouncing up. I would only consider this to be bullish again. Firstly, when I see a cross of this swing that is around 9335, and then when it crosses 9600 zone successfully, because there are chances it may try to go up, hit the resistance and then make a new low. So in order to have a proper confirmation, mark this on your chart. Let it cross about this area, that is 9445, and then slowly and steadily once it breaks 9600, that's when we will call it bullish. That's when we can say ADX market is now in an uptrend. For now, any up move should not be trusted. Previously we saw 2 green candles again down and then it made 4 green days, and then we are seeing more downside. So immediate resistance for now is at 9350. This would be the test area. If at all it can cross and close above this resistance zone, then at least we will get some sign of relief. Then next hurdle at 9435, and then it has to keep crossing the hurdles till we are above 9600. As we know, whenever a stock or an index is in a strong downtrend, whenever it tries to climb up, immediately it faces resistance, selling pressure, and it makes new low. We are seeing exactly the same scenario right from the top. Selling is continuously happening. It tried to move up, got rejected, it made a new low. So in order to nullify this swing, we want to see a closing above 9435, and then like I mentioned, upside momentum from here. I am on the daily chart of FTI Globe. We are seeing similar kind of momentum right from 3.10, strong selling pressure, a move to the upside. It tried to recover, got resisted around 2.80 and it made a new low. For now, I can see some early signs of reversal in this stock. No, obviously trend is not to the upside, but now we are seeing exhaustion in FTI Globe. Right, with this candle, there are good chances that it has exhausted once it crosses the resistance area of 2.70. In fact, when we see a candle close about 2.70, this would be our first indication that now bulls have bounced back and there are good chances it may continue its upside momentum from here. But for that to happen, we need to see a good candle close and with good volumes. Today's closing is at 2.63. So first resistance, as I mentioned, at 2.70. We want to see a big candle close above 2.70 with good volumes so that immediate resistance can be taken out and then we can expect upside momentum. Next area of test would be 2.80. Once we see a candle close above this zone, then definitely we can call Globe is now in bullish territory, and from here there are chances it may start breaking the resistance zones and climb higher. Strong area of resistance at 3.10. So guys, this was my quick update on indexes and Globe. For more detailed analysis, join my YouTube membership. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.